Well, today we are gonna draw these two spirals, and um, it's gonna go 84 times uh, forward to the right, and the leg, the space right here is gonna be plus is 2, so, and the speed is gonna be a, so it's gonna go around faster. So, and we set up a window here, so the background color is gonna be green, and the color of the spirals is gonna be blue. So, and this one is just the same thing as this one. It's gonna go forward 90, and 89 it will be like this is gonna be moving to the left like 1. So let's run it. Of course, you guys can, you can change the speed, but I'm just trying to record this faster. As you see, it's just the same thing as this one. It's just moving to the left, and yeah, that's all. Thank you.